It's Isabel.
And Eliza.
And Stacy. Sorry. Stacy, get out.
It's teeny tiny, so could be sweet pea, could be wild carrot. What else is little? Yay! We got wild carrot. Hello, you little cutie pie. Look at wild carrot is winking at us.
Sorry.
Speaking out her tongue.
And Stacy, get
Silly
out.
little carrot. Back in
Yeah,
the container you go.
Again.
This is crazy, guys. We're down to 2. Okay, guys, back to Lego Friends, and yesterday's toy.
Oh, Stacy pushed me out too. She pulled me.
Yesterday.
Okay, by the way, it's time for bed.
See it. You need to go
And
check
let's
it
go.
out. Aw,
Woozing.
sweet.
And yes, I still sleep with stuffed animals. Don't judge me. No way. That wasn't you, right? That wasn't? Guys, I'm not kidding. It was none of us. I'm telling the truth now, but we don't really know. We weren't not going to do this video, but we just did it for fun. But this is actually real life, not fake. But we don't know what's making that sound. Sorry, I'm just putting on the tape of the iPad. Sorry. No, that's real. I'm really scared, but I don't know. What is it? Anyways, let's just go into bed. If we hear any noises, we'll just stay up the whole night. Well, it's morning, but we just want to sleep. Okay, bye. Whee! What? Eliza, stop making a sound. Can't sleep. Let's just go. I heard that boom sound again. Well, bye. If there's shadows next week or next video right now, comment down below. If you haven't heard strange noises, well, that was real, but we had no idea it was coming. Well, see you guys next week on Eliza 1023. Bye.